The target structure for this lecture is the present continuous. So the present continuous is a tense in English. Let's look at the meaning of the present continuous. There are three main meanings that we're going to look at. They're similar but slightly different. So let's go over the first meaning. Look at the example sentence. John is on the plane. He is on his way to Hawaii. John is flying to Hawaii. So the words in bold indicate the present continuous. This meaning shows that John is flying right now at the time of speaking. The action is continuing and isn't finished. So that's meaning one. Let's look at the second meaning. Look at this example. Sarah is talking on the phone. She says to her friend, "I'm reading an amazing book at the moment. I highly recommend it." The words in bold indicate the present continuous. This meaning shows that Sarah is reading a book nowadays. She has started it, but she hasn't finished it. She isn't reading it at the time of speaking. So it's slightly different to meaning one. Meaning one is talking about something at the time of speaking. Meaning two is talking about something happening nowadays, but not necessarily right now at the time of speaking. And let's look at meaning three. Frank is talking to the CEO of the company. He says to the CEO, "The company is growing rapidly this year. We are having an amazing 12 months. So the words in bold indicate the present continuous, but this meaning shows the company is doing well around this time period, which is 1 year. It is changing over this long time period. Those are the three meanings of the present continuous. So you can notice they're similar, they're related, but there are little differences between each one. The first one is talking about right now, at the time of speaking. The second one is nowadays, around this time. And the third one is over a longer period. For example, this year I'm getting better and better at playing football. So it's over a longer period and it's changing over this period. So this year I'm getting better and better at playing football. Now let's look at the structure of the present continuous tense. The structure is quite simple. For the present continuous, we use am, is, or are plus an ing verb. For example, I am eating dinner. He is walking to the shop. And they are shouting very loudly. So you can notice am, is, are plus the ing verb. And the negative structure is also quite simple. Just add not in between am, is, are and the ing verb. So for example, I am not studying at the moment. It is not working very well. They are not watching the football match. So this is the negative structure. And the question is am, is, are plus the subject, for example, he, she, you, or someone's name, plus the ing verb. Am I doing it properly? Is he sleeping yet? Are you looking in the right place? So there you have the three meanings and the structure for the present continuous tense. As always, make sure you complete the practice exercise lectures, the listening and the speaking. Train your brain to master the structure. So as you train your brain, you'll start to really understand the meaning and the structure. So you'll ingrain it in your brain. Don't just listen once or twice. Listen as many times as you can. And download the MP3s so that you can listen wherever you are. Put them on your MP3 player or your phone and listen as many times as you can. See you in the next lecture.